Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. Today I'm stoked to introduce you to DeepSeek AI's next big leap in natural language understanding. This isn't just another AI, it's a revolutionary step forward. Imagine an AI that not only reads your text but actually gets you. It understands the context, the nuances and the subtleties of human language. That's DeepSeek. It's designed to bridge the gap between human communication and machine understanding. So how does it work? What makes DeepSeek so special? Think of DeepSeek as an AI detective. It doesn't just skim through words, it dives deep into the context, analyzing every nuance to deliver spot-on answers. It's like having a super intelligent assistant that can understand and respond to complex queries with ease. This isn't your everyday chatbot. It's a sophisticated system designed to understand and interact on a much deeper level. It's like chatting with someone who really understands you. Imagine the possibilities this opens up. Let's talk applications. Where can DeepSeek make the biggest impact? In customer service, DeepSeek revolutionizes the game. It can handle complex queries, provide accurate information, and do it all in real time. Imagine calling support and getting instant, accurate responses. No more long waits or frustrating misunderstandings. DeepSeek is always on point. It ensures that customer interactions are smooth, efficient, and satisfying. Now let's move on to education. This is another area where DeepSeek shines. Picture a personal tutor that knows your strengths and weaknesses. It can adapt to your learning style and pace. DeepSeek can tailor lessons specifically for you, ensuring you grasp complex concepts with ease. It's like having a top-tier tutor available 24/7. Imagine the boost in learning efficiency and understanding. Students can get personalized help anytime they need it. And in healthcare, DeepSeek is a game changer. It can assist doctors by providing precise insights based on patient data. Doctors can input patient data, and DeepSeek offers precise insights, helping to diagnose conditions faster and more accurately. It's like having an extra brain on the medical team. This can lead to better patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare services. The tech behind DeepSeek is pretty mind-blowing. It uses advanced neural networks and deep learning algorithms to understand context and predict outcomes. It's not just following rules, it's learning and evolving with every interaction. This makes it incredibly powerful and adaptable. The future of AI isn't just about doing things faster, it's about doing them smarter. DeepSeek is paving the way for AI that truly understands us. It's not sci-fi anymore, it's real and it's here. So whether it's improving customer service, transforming education, or advancing healthcare, DeepSeek is leading the charge. Get ready to witness the future of AI today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into DeepSeek, hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech content. Until next time, stay curious. Pause for outro.